Hi, my name's Pam Poe, and I'm here to give you a testimonial. This is for John McCaig at Jesus Christ Trust, and this testimonial is on my pilgrimage that I took to both Mayor Baba Center in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. That was in January, and then my trip to India to the Mayor Center there, and that was in end of February and first part of March. So here is showing my um, passport and the stamp that I got back from India. So, anyways, the person I follow is John McCaig. He is my perfect master. He's a saint, guru. He is Jesus Christ, and he is the only one who can take you to God. And that's what I follow him because he has taken me there. Um, Um, I'm here to basically tell you about my experience in India. I did not have a spiritual experience in Myrtle Beach. I wasn't really sure what to expect, um, but I certainly did have one in India. And just to let you know what it was, um, um, we went and visited the tomb of Mayor Baba. And during Samadhi, you go in and you pray at the feet of Mayor Baba. And I did that a number of days. And one morning, I was just really having a difficult time. I felt like I had a lot of um, outside pressures, stresses, things that I felt like um, I guess I had a lot of sins that I had a lot that I needed to get rid of, and I just had to give it to Jesus Christ. And I remember kneeling at Mayor Baba's tomb and praying to him to basically take all my sins away and take all the pressures that I had on me. Uh, I had my husband at home, and he was having back and hip issues, was having trouble walking. My dog, who was on her deathbed. And so it was a lot of stress there, but just everything in general. And I remember leaving the tomb, and I went and found a stump or a brick kind of stump that I sat on. I just put my head down um, in my hands and just prayed to Mayor Baba and Jesus Christ to just take all my sins away, take all this um, off of me, and just let go of my ego. I can't do anything about it, and Jesus Christ is the only one who can. And so I asked him to take all this from me. And I remember putting my head down in my hands, and all of a sudden there was a funnel that appeared to me, and it was just this funnel with all these, it looked like just water gushing in, but it was blue water on one side and red water on the other side. And it just kept going in and in. And I don't know if this lasted 10 seconds, 20 seconds. I just know that all of a sudden it totally stopped. And um, I felt like I had everything was removed from my shoulders, all the stress, everything I was going through. And I just prayed and thanked Jesus Christ and Mary Papa for that. And I remember going back seeing my son because he was on the pilgrimage in India with us. And I was telling him about my experience, and he's like, "Mom," he goes, um, that's like the picture of Jesus Christ." And I said, "I have no idea what you're talking about, Al." And so we found the picture, and this is it. And this is basically what I saw. Um, Jesus Christ opening up his heart and taking all of my worries, my sins, everything from me. And I could not have had this happen if I did not follow John McCaig. He is the only one who can truly take you to Jesus Christ and to God. And and that was my experience. I follow him. If you want truth, an honest truth because he's the only one out there who will give it. You follow John McCaig. There is no one else I will follow, period. He is it. And and I thank God and Jesus Christ every day that they directed me to him. Why I was chosen, I don't know, but I just thank God that I was. So, anyways, if you want truth, if you want to see God, if you want to see Jesus Christ, follow John McCaig. Jesus Christ Trust. It's I don't want to come back into this lifetime again and repeat this over and over again. I don't want to do it. And John McCaig is the only way to get out of this. So, anyways, thank you for listening.